Happy Tuesday, everybody. Today is Truth Bomb Tuesday, and the topic today is protein isn't optional, it's essential. So we're going to dive a little bit more into protein this week. Hi, I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor, and this is your Daily Spoonful, a quick dose of low-carb truth to fuel your day. So here's your truth bomb. Protein isn't just important, it's vital, especially on a low-carb or ketogenic diet. When carbs go down, protein becomes even more essential, not just for muscle mass or muscle maintenance, but for hormone balance, metabolic repair, and immune function. It's made up of amino acids. These are building blocks your body needs, from everything to make neurotransmitters to keeping your skin healthy and for making enzymes. And if you're not getting enough, your body will break down muscle tissue to get it. Not only does protein keep you fuller longer, but it also has the highest thermic effect of all the macros, meaning that you burn more calories just trying to digest it. So here's your nudge today. So if you've been coasting on fat bombs and bulletproof coffee, it's time to upgrade your strategy. Make protein the foundation. Your metabolism will thank you. So hit the subscribe button and check out yesterday's video, Protein First, even on keto. And stay tuned for a deeper dive where I'll show you exactly how to calculate your ideal protein needs. I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor. Let's fuel our bodies with what matters most. I'll see you in the next video.